Okay, now let's talk about how regularization affects logistic regression. We've already noticed that when we use higher polynomial terms, like this one over here, we're going to end up passing that into our logistic function as z. And what's going to end up happening is we're going to overfit our data, like this curve here, which isn't best for generalization. So what we can do in our cost function for logistic regression is add a regularization term, this over here. This way, the cost function is still trying to be minimized, and the parameters wj will also be minimized. So when that happens, we'll end up getting a curve like this that better fits our data and is better for generalization. So now our cost function is this, where we've just added the regularization term. And the gradient descent implementation of logistic regression with regularization is very similar to linear regression's implementation gradient descent with also its regularization term. You can see that the derivative still has this part plus the new regularization term for the derivative of the cost function that we found in previous videos. But remember that b doesn't have this term over here because it is not being regularized. So yes, it looks really similar to linear regression's implementation, but remember, the one thing that's different is the function.